In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see resolve comments in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a quick example, resolve a comment, and then reveal those resolved threads so you can review what's been addressed. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. Once you're on your dashboard, start a fresh workspace by selecting Create New. From the options that appear, choose Board to open a blank canvas. This gives us a clean space to demonstrate the commenting workflow without any distractions. Inside the new board, pick the text tool from the toolbar and click on the canvas to add a text box. Type a short line of text. Anything simple is fine. This gives us an object to anchor a comment to, which is how teams typically communicate in context on a board. Next, switch to the comment tool. You'll usually see it in the toolbar as a speech bubble icon. Click on or near the text you just added to place your comment. Type your message, keeping it concise and clear, as if you're leaving feedback for a teammate. When you're ready, click Send. Submit to post the comment. You should now see the comment bubble on the board, showing that the note is active and visible to collaborators. Now let's resolve that comment so we can learn how to view it later. Use the resolve control on the comment thread to mark it as resolved. Resolving doesn't delete anything. It simply clears the visual clutter on the board while preserving the full history of the discussion. To find resolved comments, open the Activity panel. This is where Miro gathers board updates and comment activity in one place, making it easy to review what's happening. Within Activity, select all comments so you're looking at the complete list rather than a limited view. This ensures you won't miss anything that was previously addressed. Finally, turn on Show Resolved. This toggle reveals threads that have been marked as done, often displayed with a lighter or dimmed appearance so you can distinguish them from active conversations. It's a great way to confirm that feedback has been handled, revisit decisions, or provide context for new collaborators who want to understand past changes. If you need to focus only on open conversations again, simply turn off Show Resolve to hide the completed threads. That way, your board remains tidy while you always have access to the discussion history when you need it. That's it. You created a board, added a comment, resolved it, and then surfaced it from the activity area using all comments in Show Resolved. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating in Miro.